At Thetford Golf Club, we have got something special for you. Floodlit Skills Nights, coming soon. We have lit up the putting green and short game area to give you a fantastic experience and the chance to win some fantastic prizes. Sponsored by Lacons and Titleist. To have your chance on winning a 2026 Titleist Vokey SM11 wedge, you and 3 others will need to put your skills to the test in putting, chipping, bunkers and pitching. For putting, you will be tested on your holing out skills and your distance control. Bunkers will see you tested to 2 tricky pin positions. Pitching will be all about that 50-yard shot. And lastly, chipping, where you will be tested on a bump and run and a more tricky chip over a bunker.